Hello guys, hope you all are fine. Today I show you how you remove your image background easily in second. So let's see. First you enter this site is remove remove.bg, then press enter and this site. So you see this upload image button here, so click this and choose any of this image. So I select this image and open here, and now just in second you see this side is remove image background. So easily you can edit here and download and use this in your work. So if I click here edit option, you can see some option to edit. You can add another background here, you see. So this way you can use this, or if you do not use this, you just simply download option here and click download image. So here we see this image. So if I open it, then let's see how smooth works it is. And now if I use another image or check this site, so let's see, I use this image. You can see here have lot of people and some another background. So I try this image, how this site works. So I go back to this site and go back here and click upload image. Then I select this image and open. Now we can see this background is completely removed, and I think this works is nice. So let's download it and check it. Download here and show the image. So if I show you the first image here is main image and is the present image, but I download now. See here, and if you notice the image quality is not so good because we use this free version. If you use the pro version, then you can download this image in high quality. So that's the fact here. And if I say another interesting things is that if you want to earn money by promote this site, then you can join their affiliate program here. You can click here and easily you can join for their affiliate program, and if you promote their product, then you can earn commission. If I click this affiliate program, then let's see, here you can see some detail. You can earn 50% commission on every sale made through your affiliate link. Keep earning commission every month for subscription. So is a very simple way. If you have any website or YouTube channel, you can easily promote this product and easily earn this commission. So this way you can use this platform for earning and use your work or remove image quickly. I put the link of this site in my video description, so you can check out this site there. If this video is really help you for your work, then please like this video and subscribe my channel.